Hello, we are Team the Gujju Gang, and the main aim of the project is to visualize the airline traffic to and from the India to help the end users, such as airline commercials, to make the better business decisions using our visual analysis about the passengers. Our visual analysis will help the passengers to understand the air traffic based on the airline traffic visuals.
So for our project, we wanted to keep a simple and elegant design for the user so that it is easier for the user to navigate throughout the system and throughout the dashboard to help understand the data and have as much as information as possible in a shortest period of time. So we have put in a small navigation bar here where the user can go through and navigate through all of the different visualizations to have some great insights regarding the air traffics. I'd like to explain a few myself, and the rest would be explained with by my fellow teammates. The first one that I would like to explain is the bar chart. It is a responsive and interactive bar chart displaying different quarters data about how many passengers traveled using which particular airline throughout the year. This is an interactive bar chart which can be sorted and shown in different panels. Furthermore, it shows different quarters of the year, which helps the user to understand which airline or which airline and is more effective during which period of the time. The next visualization, next information is a proportional chart. This is a proportional chart where it shows that it displays the statistics about passengers traveling from different cities from India to different cities across the globe. And the size of the circle also demonstrates that how much is the frequency of the travel. The next chart would be explained by Maxwell.
So this chart is a Choropleth chart that describes the total volume of freight exported to and from India across different countries. So each country is filled in with a color that corresponds to the amount of freight, and it's based off of the countries that we have our data for. So the darker the shade of blue, the more freight is imported to that country.
Okay, so the next chart that we have developed over here is the pie chart. And so basically this pie chart is user interactive, and it shows number of passengers traveling to various countries from India. And here is the distribution of total number of passengers to different countries. And whenever we hover to a particular section of the country, it shows the total number of passengers for that country that are traveling from to and from India. And the next chart that we have developed is the map box. We have tried to interpolate various the locations of various cities on the map box, and whenever any pin is clicked on this map, it shows the name of the city as well as the actual location on the map, that is the latitude and longitude. So this cities actually signifies the connectivity of flights with Indian cities.
Okay, so the final one is the connection chart, which was implemented using the D3 library. Here it describes the airline routes on the world map for different cities and the countries, that is from to and from India. So it helps us to visualize the airline traffic or the airline routes which is traveling from to and from India.
And just to add on to the last point, like as far as our future scope is been concerned, like we are thinking of getting this dashboard more interactive by getting users own custom data sets, and we'll be trying to visualize the users data set and plot the charts for their own data. So this is what we have think for our future scope.